2023 Triumph Speed Twin 900 First Look. Speed Twin 900 gets silver and yellow graphics. The Triumph Street Twin is no more. However, don't despair, it has been replaced by the 2023 Triumph Speed Twin 900. As it turns out, Triumph is simply renaming the Street Twin. The new Triumph Speed Twin serves as the little brother to the Speed Twin 1200, which is returning for 2023. The jet black and matte ironstone colorways return, and are joined by a new color, matte silver ice. The matte silver ice version of the Speed Twin 900 gets silver and yellow graphics. The new Speed Twin 900 logo and jet black is used for the fenders and side panels. Returning is the friendly fuel-injected, liquid-cooled vertical twin power plant that produced 64 horsepower at 7,500 RPM. The 270-degree firing order and 59 ft-lbs of torque at just 3,800 RPM give the motor impressive power off idle. All of this power comes with light fuel consumption, it gets 69 miles per gallon. The entire package has an MSRP under $10,000. 2023 Triumph Speed Twin 900 specs. Engine type: vertical twin W/270-degree firing order. Displacement: 900 cubic centimeters. Bore X stroke: 84.6 by 80 millimeters. Maximum power: 64 horsepower at 7,500 RPM. Maximum torque: 59 ft-lbs at 3,800 RPM. Compression ratio: 11.0 to 1. Fueling: EFI. Valve train: ISOHC, 8 valves. Cooling: liquid. Transmission: 5-speed. Clutch: wet multiplay W/assist function. Final drive: O-ring chain. Chassis. Frame: tubular steel cradle. Front suspension: travel, non-adjustable KYB 41mm cartridge fork, 4.7 inches. Rear suspension: spring preload adjustable KYB shocks, 4.7 inches. Wheels: cast aluminum. Front wheel: 18 by 2.75. Rear wheel: 17 by 4.25. Tires: Pirelli Phantom Sports Comp. Front tire: 190x18. Rear tire: 150/70x17. Front brake: 310mm disc with Brembo 4-piston fixed caliper. Rear brake: 255mm disc with Nissan 2-piston floating caliper. ABS, standard. Dimensions and capacities. Wheelbase, 57.1 inches. Rake, 25.1 degrees. Trail, 4.0 inches. Seat height, 30.1 inches. Fuel capacity, 3.2 gallons. Estimated fuel consumption, 69 miles per gallon. Curb weight, 476 pounds. Colors: jet black, matte ironstone, matte silver ice.